Have you ever set up and run a PA system at a hospital during the holidays? Yeah, me either. But there's a first time for everything, so let's get our gear into this place and settle into this 2-night gig in a hospital.
The lighting is just terrible. Everything is a green hue.
We're gonna put speakers here, here, and here to cover the length of the room. So I'm gonna get started doing that now.
So like one right here? Okay. Then one here? I'm just gonna put it right here. You mean this right? Like this? Yeah.
My plan was to use my matrix outs to connect all these speakers together, but looking at the place, I just decided to daisy chain everything. It's a lot less work, and I'm lazy.
This will be the last one in the chain. I trust hospital power. It's the one problem with this setup. I gotta go to the end of the twin cable. Except I think I need another one. Make all this pretty looking later. Throw up your pretty little lunch. That's okay. This one works. This one works. This one works too. All right, let's get the microphone out. Starts at 5. Oh my gosh. You hear that? Check 1, 2, hey, hey. People usually talk like this with the microphone really far away from their face. So we're gonna try to fix that as much as possible. Check, hey, hey, 1, 2, 3, hey, 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 hey.
No, that's on purpose, but it gets me every time.
Yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Check, hey, hey. 1, 2, check, 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 hey, hey. And, yeah, I think we're good. Yep. Sounds good, you can hear it? That makes me happy. Thank you. So this is an easy gig on a Tuesday afternoon or night. It's a little boring, but I'm okay with it. How you doing?
Hey, what's up?
Because it's 2 nights, and we get to leave our stuff here, and somebody talks on a microphone for 15 minutes. And then we get to go home at 7:30. So that's not bad. Okay. You want to take that? I think we should do another speaker. Don't you?
The layout this time around is a little bit different. They've put tables and chairs where there weren't any, so we're just gonna throw up an extra speaker. It's not rocket science, guys.
Man, I love the flex stands. It's funny because like none of the speakers we had set up yesterday cover like any of this. But it'll be fine. Hey, 1, 2, check, 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 hey, hey. Hey, check, 1, 2, hey, hey. I think we're good. Now we can watch people play World of Warcraft.
Giving and cherishing those important to us. We consider you an asset to us.
We are mission driven of what we do, and we couldn't do it without you. So we just want to say thank you for being an integral part of our team and allowing us the opportunity to just get to have a nice
See, that wasn't so bad. And was indeed a chill holiday event.
Fair enough. Always. All right, I'll see you at home.
You're gonna drive into my car?
Yeah.